and welcome to your Somatic Flow practice. I'm Jaz and thank you so much for joining me today in this session. This is going to be a relaxing and grounding session, great to do when you need to reset or just take a moment for yourself. Let's begin. Come meet me completely stretched out on your mat. Relaxing your arms by your side, your feet turned out. Try to relax your shoulders just a little bit more. Soften your face, your breath, and your thoughts. And begin to notice how your body is breathing, the rise and fall of each of your individual breaths. And really focus on your exhale. Really try to feel each of your exhale as it leaves your body. Letting go of tension and anything you don't need right now in this present moment. Consciously try to relax your feet just a little bit more. Soften your legs. Try to consciously relax your pelvis and your lower back. Let go of any tension you are holding in your chest or your upper back. Soften your throat and the space between your eyebrows. Gentle breath in and sighing it all out. Bringing your hands by your side or in a cactus position. And begin to lift one knee up, sliding it up on your mat, keeping it on your mat. And with your head turning the other direction. Gently bring that, straighten out your leg and then swapping over your other leg, sliding the leg up, and your head turns the other way. Just taking your time, going in your own flow. Really try to relax the leg as much as possible, not try to hold it up into place. Notice anything that arises as you do this. Just observing in your inner environment. And if your mind begins to create another journey, that's okay. Just taking note and then coming back with your breath and your body moving in this moment. Gently releasing from this, taking note of how your lower body is feeling and your mind. Bending both of your knees, feet on your mat. Get yourself comfortable. Make sure there's enough space between your heels and your buttocks to release and relax your lower spine. And begin just to drop one knee to the side. You can lift your back body off your mat. And then gently bring your knee back up, taking your knee to the other side. Just notice what's going on. You can also begin to turn your head the opposite way of your knee that's going down towards the ground. You may have a nice release in your lower back. And just notice what's going on in your throat. Try to relax, opening your mouth whenever you need to. This time as you get to one side, just holding here for a moment and let that top knee and leg just completely surrender. Just letting go of what you're holding onto there. Breathing out completely before you breathe in again. Gently bring your knee back up to center. And let's go to the other side. Try to relax just a little bit more. Let yourself go. And then gently coming back up. Take your hands behind your head, just creating a pillow for your head. And then just begin to drop one knee to the side again. And the top leg you can straighten out, look in the other direction. Bring that leg back up and then alternate to the other side. You can also turn your head or keep it upright, that's up to you. Just creating your own form. Yours is going to look different to mine, and that's because that's your unique way of doing this pose. Just notice what you feel, what muscles you are using, just the parts. Way to really get some mobility and improve your lower back here. Just one more in each direction. And then gently releasing your hands. Take your feet to the edges of your mat. Point your knees in. Your hands resting on your belly, and just taking a moment to notice how you feel after doing those exercises, how your lower body feels and your mind. Gentle breaths in and out. Gently releasing, and then roll onto your side. Keep me in a comfortable seated position. Sitting upright, relaxing your shoulders. Making a C curve with your spine, interlace your fingers, and then bring your arms up, and then take your arms down, gently releasing. And then again, C curve with your spine, interlace your fingers, gently bring your arms up. Letting go of your hands, take your time to bring your hands down. And one more time, interlace your fingers, making a beautiful C curve of your spine. Slowly bring yourself up, and then gently releasing. Placing your hands on your body. So we're going to do a nice grounding mindful meditation. So just gentle breath in, and then let all the air out. Just breathing in your own way. So keeping your eyes open for this. So first I want you to notice 5 things that are around you. What can you see? Just 5 things. 4 things you can feel. 3 things you can hear. 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. And just letting go of this and notice any new energy in your body and your mind. And bringing your palms together at your chest center and thanking your mind and your body for the practice it has just completed. And then gently coming up and looking around the space you are in. Thank you so much for joining me in this session. I hope you feel good, and I look forward to seeing you soon.